This is a milestone, actually, after so many decades. I feel that one is enthused to do more because, in the kind of work I do, I very often get into despair. And then meeting all these people together here and understanding the kind of troubles that they go through and yet making it through the dark night, I feel enthused to go back and do something more, something better, something more cutting edge. Like I'm very passionate about bringing back dropouts to school because we have too many of them. And as I said earlier, it's because of single parenthood and poverty replicates. So that is why I feel that I need to go back and do something more, something with greater energy and zeal, and get many more people involved.
And you spoke about, you brought up Meghalaya and the current condition there in particular, given the single parenthood and the poverty. What does it feel to also be recognized coming from a place where the mainstream doesn't take a look at, what are the everyday problems, what is the way of life, what is the culture? How does, an award like this speak to that?
I keep telling people everywhere that the Northeast it shares just 2% of its borders with India. 98% is with other foreign countries. Actually, India should pay more attention to us than it's doing at the moment. But it doesn't seem to happen. Look at what's happening in Manipur now, past 1 year and many more months, and nobody is concerned. We are the only people who are wondering when this conflict will stop, when the killings will stop, and when so called normalcy, although I don't believe in that word normalcy, but
Right.
when can people return to their jobs, to their
To life as they
schools,
know
to
it.
life as normal human beings without, and when will they be able to leave those relief camps? Living there for over a year, it's traumatic, actually. Yeah.